Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. As you can see in the title, it's a SHEIN haul, a huge SHEIN haul full of home gadgets, home accessories, home decoration, home items, must-haves. I can't wait to show you what I got, guys. I received this order a few days ago, but I was so sick. I have COVID and I have flu till now, so I couldn't do the haul, and now I feel I'm much better. I really want to do it and show you what I got. So let's start with the first item, guys. I already used this one. It's a gray and white blanket. This is from one side gray, and this is from the other side, it's white. It's a long one. I got it like maybe 120, 200 as size, and I got another one which is the navy one for my bed. We have a king bed, so I got one for the bed. I'm gonna put the picture of the navy one already on our bed. The quality is really nice and they keep you warm like crazy. I had COVID and flu, and this one and the navy one kept me warm all the time. This one in the living room and the navy one in the bedroom. They are really amazing. The quality is perfect. Next, I got this cute shelving unit for the front of the window because in the winter it got a bit watery in front of the window, so I feel like this is plastic and a bit high, so I can put my stuff in it in front of the window. It will be perfect. So yeah, I will already put it in front of the window. He's so cute. Next, I got this one, which is a phone holder that clip on like the table or the desk or wherever you want. So I had one before, but I used it a lot, so I ordered another one because the other one, the old one, won't hold my phone anymore. So hopefully this one will. Next, I got these for the fridge shelves. The color is like light blue, and they are like this, so they won't slide and they won't let anything slide in the fridge, and they are like literally perfect plastic. You can wash them and they will give like a beautiful color inside of the fridge and easy to clean. Next, I got Ribal a new iPad cover. It's a plain black cover. Covers on Shein are really good quality. I know for the phone covers, all my phone covers are from Shein. So I ordered an iPad cover for the first time, and I can say it's just perfect. Next, I got this earrings, necklaces, storage, which is literally the cutest. I can put it over here. It won't take any space and it will fit literally all my earrings, so, and my small necklaces. I love it. I got a lot of jewelry storage in this order. I'm gonna show, like, I can't wait to show it for you. So yeah, this is the first one and it's just perfect. It comes already together, so you don't need to do anything. Just take it out of the box, and it's so easy and so smooth. Just love it. Next, of course, there's a cleaning product. I got this one. It comes with 10 extra heads, and you just put it here and you clean like the small corners or like the small areas that you cannot clean with like your hand or like a big brush. So I got this one. I'm gonna put the picture here. You can clean the toilet seat or anything else. So yeah, it should be handy. Next, I got Ribal a phone cover, a gray. It's so soft from the back and the quality is really nice. This one is rubber, so I can bend it, but it's really nice. I got this small, I don't know how to call it, by the way, I forgot the name. I can put it on my desk and put my maybe foundation in it, or maybe I can put my blushes, my bronzers, and my face palettes. It's so cute, by the way. It's a bit small, but I decided to get the small one. Maybe I should get the bigger one, but it's fine. And yes, I already ordered these tulips in my last order, but I decided to order more in this order because they are just perfect, guys. They are like real tulips. Close. They are not plastic or papers, they are like more rubber quality, so they are just perfect. Now I have a big tulip bouquet. They really look real. Love them. Next, a small cutlery container. This is for work. It's just perfect for work because I used to put my cutlery in a plastic bag, and after a few uses I have to throw it away. So this is a good solution to not throw plastic bags anymore. Next, this is for my bracelets. Can't wait to put my vintage bracelet on it. It's so cute and like really so soft. This one will be here. The quality is really nice, by the way, guys. Next, guys, look how cute is this one. Literally like the picture. It's a small container. I can put my cotton, I can put my jewelries when I remove them at night. I can put a lot of stuff. I can put some like gummies, I can put, I don't know, some snacks. It's just so cute. It's so cute. Literally like the picture. Next, I got this sun visor cell phone holder. We rent cars a lot here whenever we want to go on a long trip, and sometimes I won't find a place to put a phone holder in the car. So if there's no place, this is a good solution. So I can put it in the sun visor and then put the phone holder here and use it as a phone holder from the sun visor. All cars have sun visors, but not all cars are like easy to put your phone holder in. So this is a good solution. Whatever car we're gonna rent, I can put my phone now. Next, how cute is this? I got this one to do like some chocolate hearts or like gummy hearts. It's so cute. It is a bit thin. You have to be careful with it, but it's so cute. Excuse me, I'm gonna do a lot of chocolate hearts. So cute. I can't wait. By the way, Mark and Spencer have some good chocolate that for baking. The one that you can melt and use it for baking, and then it will be hard again. So they will be perfect for this one. Perfect. Next, I got some cleaning towels. They come set of 5. The design is a bit weird. This side is fruits and this side is space, but they are really soft. I think they will be great for dust, and they are really so soft, but like the design is a bit weird, no? Next, I got this microwave cover that has pocket on the sides. This is the pattern, and it has like pom-poms on the sides. So cute, and the quality is really good too. Next, I got this for my necklaces. How cute is this? I need to like just use a screw to make it more steady, but so cute. This one will go here. Gold and white and a little bit of green. This color goes well with my jewelry box. Next, more fake flowers. I got these. They come in 6. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, they come separate. The stem is separate from the rose. But how cute is this one? Look at the details, guys. Love it. Next, I got this plastic box, which is so simple. Nothing on the sides, white, plain white. It will go like literally perfectly in front of my window. I maybe put my books in it. So cute. And I really love it. Like, it's plain white. I can put some stickers too. A good idea. Next, a fridge cover. I don't know, I'm just surprised that I'm buying these stuff for my home. So I don't know, it's just like I got this fridge cover, and also it comes with pocket on the side, and the pattern is really nice. I feel like I'm living in the jungle, which is like really cute. It will give like more life to the kitchen. I got these double side tapes. I think they are must have in every home. I got a pills storage. I got the double one because I don't like to keep my pills together, and I don't like to touch my pills. And oh my god, so I decided to get two because I have two different vitamins. I have to take them during the day, other than the one I take early thing in the morning. So I'm gonna put them in this and remember to take them every day. Next, this is the cutest thing ever. So I got this one for my hands, like a hand warmer, a small water bottle. So I can use the big one for my tummy and I can use the small one for my hands. And how cute, it's so soft, by the way, it's not plastic. So soft, I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna use it tonight. No way. Next, because they're two items, these vases. Guys, they are so cute. So cute. Literally like a picture. How cute are these? I got two from this one. This is storage for my earrings, to put my earrings in it and then put it on here. How cute is this? How can you see this and not order it? Tell me. You cannot. Anyway, next I got these double tape. They come in a red plastic box. They are transparent and so thin. Also a must have. This one is a must have. This one is really a must have. This is a cable wrapper. To use it to organize your cables. It's a schlichschlag. I don't know how you call it in English. Schlichschlag. And yeah, it's good because it's not a tape. It won't have this glue inside. And if you do use it for your cables, it will maybe melt or it will like keep some sticky stains. So this is a must have. Thank me later. Next, I got a phone holder finally, because in Lebanon we had one and we use it for like navigation, and I was always holding my phone in my hand to vlog, so I wanted one for myself to vlog. So I ordered this one. I had a lot of phone holders, car phone holders. I don't know where are they. So this one comes in two pieces, this one and of course this one. Shein have literally a lot of phone accessories. Also, I got this one, which is the phone holder that you can just move the legs. I already got this one in color red and I broke it myself, so I ordered another one because it was a really good quality, and it comes with this one. Next, another set of 6 beautiful roses. This one too comes, the stem is separate from the rose, but look how cute is the color and the rose. So cute, so cute. Oh, look at them together. Love it. Next, I got this one. It's like a small pocket for the Apple Pen. Whenever the Apple Pen is on my iPad, it always falls. So I got this one so I can put it as a stickers on the cover and put the Apple Pen in it. If you do your own nails at home, or if you like to soak your own feet in hot water at home, this is your sign to get this one. It comes with this bag to put it inside of it, and it's like a bag that you can put water in it and soak your legs. I got this one for whenever I want to do my own nails, to put my feet in hot water, because it's so cold. If I want to take a shower, hot shower, and then do my own nails, they will be cold, and the cuticles anyway, they will be hard again. So this one, that it will be like hot water and like self-care moment with this one. So yeah, this is a must-have. Even if you just want it for water or like to soak your legs or anything. This is a good one. Or you can use it for eyes and water, or for anything, literally. I don't know why I'm just like keeping on telling you how you can use it for whatever you want. Next, I got the set oven glove, this one too, and a tea towel. The only thing is they are silver from the back. I didn't know that. In the picture they look silver from the back, but I don't know why. I didn't notice that, but it's fine. I will put them on the side. They are really cute from this side. So yeah. Next, I got this one. I got two from this one, not one. One is already used because I couldn't wait. So this is a container. One thing that when you close it, it's not so it's a bit loose, so I always keep something on the top of it in the fridge. It comes in 4 sections. You can remove them and wash them separately, and this one is perfect for fruits. Now I put my fruits in it because I have to keep on eating fruits all the time. Good vitamins for the flu and the COVID. The water will go down to the bottom and the fruits won't be inside of their water, or like they won't be like so watery, which is just perfect. Love it. And you can put also your herbs, your fresh herbs, your vegetables, anything you want, your salad toppings. It is just perfect. Oh my god, I don't know why my tummy is hurting a bit. Next, I got this one to whenever I want to clean, use it, and then I just close it like that. It won't take any space in the house. Next, I got this glue gun. I needed a glue gun here. I had the same one in Lebanon. I didn't know that SHEIN sell glue guns. Hopefully this one is good too, and I have to get the glue things for it. So yeah, I got one. And for the last item, they were in my previous order. I ordered them before and I loved them. The quality is so good, and they are see-through. You can see what's inside of them, so you won't like open and close each one to know where's your coat, for example. And this is good for suits, good for dresses, for coats, for anything you want. And the quality is really good. So guys, these are the items that I got in this order for like home gadgets, home accessories, home decoration, home storage, home cleaning. And honestly, I'm in love with every item. I wasn't disappointed with anything. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you want to see anything else on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below or DM me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more fashion and beauty content. I'm gonna post more on TikTok about how my jewelry looked here and how I'm using some items from SHEIN maybe. So yeah, I'm thinking about these kind of videos too, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and see you in my next video.